Hi friends! I know that today's lesson was supposed to be done in class. However, sometimes things change and things happen and we have to adjust to those sort of changes. So with that being said, today's class will be online. To get us started for today's lesson, I kind of wanted to take a step back and relook at some of those things that we talked about last week with blending. So for example, if I had the word cat, how would we sound out that word? K-a-t. And then all of those sounds together make the word cat. So when we did that exercise, we were blending those sounds together to come up with one word. All right. So for today's lesson, we're going to dive a little bit deeper, not too heavy or not too much, but we're going to be looking at how we can recognize and pick out those beginning sounds for the words. So here I have my picture of the word cat, and we're just going to stick with cat for now. I have a picture of a cat. So when we just sounded out the word cat, k-a-t, what did you hear and what did you notice was the beginning sound for this word? If you have to sound it out, please feel free to do so. K, k. I heard it. K. Very good. The beginning sound for this word would be k, k, or a C. Let's look at one more example. How about we do bat? And I'm going to, Connor, why don't you see if you could do this one? So we have here a picture of a bat. Could you please sound out each letter or the word bat for me? Very good. And what did you notice or what did you hear was that beginning sound? B-a-t. That B sound would be the initial or the beginning sound. So for today's lesson, or for this next activity, we are going to be helping my friend Kang Kang. And I need to get Kang Kang. 1 second. So here I have my friend Kang Kang. But we have a problem. She's very hungry. But she's only hungry for the beginning sounds of words. She won't eat anything else. So in order for us to feed Kang Kang, she is going to decide what she's in the mood for. And here I have a few pictures laid out in front of me that I will hold up to show you. So we'll stick with cat for now as an example. So here Kang Kang is in the mood for the beginning sound in the word cat. And I know we just did this one, so this one is just an example. So when we sound out the word cat, let's just do that real fast. K-a-t. What did we notice was the beginning sound for that word again? The k sound. Very good. So since we found out and recognized that the k sound was the beginning sound, Kang Kang here now gets to eat the k, the k. She's now happy. But she's still not full. She's still very hungry. So, Kang Kang, what do you think you are in the mood for now? Good one. So here I have, what would this be a picture of? I heard it. Rug. Very good. So here we have a picture of a rug. So let's sound out this word together. G. Rug. Okay, so now I want you to take a minute and see if you can come up or recognize the beginning sound for the word rug. So just take a minute, sound it out. Okay, now who can tell me, or who here can help Kang Kang out and tell us what that beginning sound for this word is? correct. The r sound is the beginning sound for this word. So Kang here now gets to eat that r sound. Oh, she's still not hungry. I mean, she's still not full. What are you in the mood for now, Kang? Interesting choice. What is this a picture of? A hat. Very good. So, Alyssa, could you please sound out this word hat for me? Very good. Now, did anyone pick up or recognize with Alyssa saying at? Was anyone able to recognize what that beginning sound was? Very good. The at. That sound would be the beginning sound for the word hat. Kang's very happy again. She now gets to eat. All right, let's do 2 more. And then we'll continue. Let's do this. How about this one, Kang? All right. Let's do this one. What is this? A cup. Very good. So let's sound out the word cup. K, p. Very good. Now, Adam, what would you say the beginning sound for this word is? Very good. The k sound would be the beginning sound of this word. Kang gets to eat again. All right, and then we'll do one more because y'all are doing very good with this. Let's do this one. What is this? A car. Very good. Let's sound out the word car. K-a-r, car. Again, that k sound, very good, would be the beginning sound for this word. Kang is now full. So what we just did when looking at each of these pictures is we isolated and recognized the beginning sounds for each word. Now, tomorrow when you guys come in, since we will be having class tomorrow, when you guys come in, we are going to do this activity once again. However, you are going to be working with a partner. You are going to partner up, and each pair is going to come up and choose a friend of their own to feed. I have a box at the front of the class. I will have a box at the front of the class for everyone to be able to get to choose a friend. And then we'll spend about 5 or 6 minutes just re-looking at the initial sounds and picking out those initial sounds before we move on and we dive deeper and we start looking at the medial or the middle sounds for words. One thing I want you to do before going to bed tonight and before coming into class tomorrow is I want you to go to our Google Classroom and I want you to answer this question. What is one thing that you learned from class today? Just one thing. And I want you to leave it in the comment section. This will allow me just to see what all you learned, if there are things that you may need reviewing, going back over, help with. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave those. Kang will be helping me answer those. I am looking forward to seeing you all tomorrow. I know that it has been, this class period was crazy, but we will be back at it tomorrow, and I hope to see you all later.